Here's some modern political ideologies trivia. Subscribe. Which ideology emphasizes public ownership? Is it A, socialism, B, capitalism, C, individualism, or D, monarchism? The correct answer is A, socialism. What ideology seeks to promote individual freedom? Is it A, authoritarianism, B, libertarianism, C, communism, or D, socialism? The correct answer is B, libertarianism. Which system advocates for limited government? Is it A, communism, B, socialism, C, fascism, or D, classical liberalism? The correct answer is D, classical liberalism. Which ideology focuses on national interests? Is it A, liberalism, B, nationalism, C, globalism, or D, socialism? The correct answer is B, nationalism. Who popularized the term neoliberalism? Is it A, Friedrich Hayek, B, David Harvey, C, Milton Friedman, or D, Naomi Klein? The correct answer is B, David Harvey. Which ideology emphasizes traditional values? Is it A, anarchism, B, conservatism, C, liberalism, or D, socialism? The correct answer is B, conservatism. What political stance advocates for reform and change? Is it A, libertarianism, B, radicalism, C, conservatism, or D, traditionalism? The correct answer is B, radicalism. What term refers to extreme leftist views? Is it A, radical centrism, B, neoliberalism, C, ultra-leftism, or D, moderate socialism? The correct answer is C, ultra-leftism. Which doctrine promotes gender equality? Is it A, misogyny, B, feminism, C, patriarchy, or D, traditionalism? The correct answer is B, feminism. Who is known for shaping modern liberal thought? Is it A, Friedrich Nietzsche, B, Karl Marx, C, John Stuart Mill, or D, Thomas Hobbes? The correct answer is C, John Stuart Mill. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.